Hi, my name is Matt Capell with Capell Flooring and Interiors here in the Boise, Idaho area. Hey, if you do a little bit of research on our business, you'll come across the term the Design Audit. And so basically what the Design Audit is we ask you a series of questions, and we take your particular house, your lifestyle, how you live, whether you have you're married, you have 10 kids and different things, like your needs for flooring will be different than say if you're, there's less people in the home or different things. So we take all these selections, all these possibilities, we ask you a series of questions so we can narrow it down to find the perfect type of flooring for your home, your situation, and your lifestyle. And so it's a great process, and we would ask that if you're interested in that, please come see us. It's a trademark process, and we'd love to help you with it. I'll put a link below, but it's basically if you come to capellflooring.com, there'll be a link for Design Audit. You can sign up to do one of those with us, or you can just drop in. That's part of the process. But it just takes the complicated process of flooring and makes it easier for you, and we get to know what you need and what you want, and then we're able to make recommendations based on what works best for you and your home. So thanks for taking time to watch this video, and if you have any questions, please let me know below, and thanks for watching.